Understanding the phrase, pull out, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, pull out. This is a common expression in English, and it has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use pull out in different situations. So, let's dive right in. The phrase, pull out, literally means to move something away from a particular space or position. Imagine you have a book on a shelf, and you want to read it. What do? You pull the book out from the shelf. Another example could be a drawer. You pull out the drawer to take something from it. In transportation, pull out has a specific meaning. When a vehicle pulls out, it means it is moving from a side position onto a road or path. For instance, you might say, "The car pulled out in front of me unexpectedly, and I had to hit the brakes." It's very important to be careful when you are pulling out in a vehicle because it can be dangerous if not done cautiously. Pull out can also be used when talking about competition or agreements. When someone decides not to continue participating in a competition or does not want to be part of an agreement or deal anymore, we can say they pull out. For example, the team decided to pull out of the tournament because of the health concerns of their players. In the context of relationships or commitments, pull out can mean withdrawing or backing away. If a person is not ready for a commitment or decides to end a relationship, they might decide to pull out. It's a way of saying that someone is taking a step back from a situation or commitment. And there we have it. The phrase, pull out, can have different meanings based on the context in which it's used, from its literal sense of moving something away, to its applications in transportation, competitions, agreements, and relationships. We hope this video has helped clarify the various ways you can use this common English phrase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.